G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today I'm here to share with you a brand new PDF pattern just dropped in my Shopify store on my website, and I'm very excited about this one because it's #1 in a series. It is an intermediate level pattern, so let's take a closer look. So our little hippo is #1 in a series. This is a series that I call Play Dolls, and they sit right in the middle of beginner and masterclass. They are an intermediate level pattern. They're very straightforward to make, but they have all of that beautiful charm. But I've also designed them that they can be play dolls, meaning that they can be hugged and loved by a child. So just with a few minor changes, you can certainly have this as a child's plaything, and they're very tactile, beautiful to hold. So what I've done here is he is of course jointed at the neck, arms and legs, and whereas with a masterclass doll we would normally have advanced jointing in the elbows and the knees as well. This time, very simple. We need it to be nice and soft, so we've got some lovely just soft jointing in the elbows and also in the knees. So he's got lovely posable, those little knees and legs drop and dangle when he's carted around, as I hope he is by so many children who will grow to love him. I think it's lovely to make something that is very boy orientated. So many of our dolls end up being very pretty dolls, but I thought we needed the first one to be a real tough guy character. So mine is made up completely in felt. He can certainly be made up in fabric. There's only a couple of parts of him that need to be made up in felt, and it really is just careful sewing and with a really great pattern which we've got here. Couple of techniques on the eyes. We're doing some flat felting, which is really simple. So you don't need anything special for that except for one little wool felting needle, and certainly you can make him just as a very simple doll and just popping his eyes in with minimal detailing. But overall he's a lovely size. He's a lovely huggable size. You get with the pattern, you get his full undershirt. You can make it into a little jumper like I have here. He has his overalls, and of course he's got his favourite person with him. This is a little pocket pal that I give you in the pattern as well. Perfect for your art dolls that can tuck into any pocket. They're also great for children. Children love these because they can sit in their pockets and peek out. Just perfect. I've got that little applique on his pocket there just to tie it all in. You can imagine the colours. Of course he doesn't have to be Rhino coloured. He can be quite colourful. He's got a very sweet little plaited simple tail at the back there, and you can see just all those lovely rounded curves. I think he's just gorgeous. You're going to find him really easy to make up. Even if this is your first project with me, absolutely, if you're at novice stage, I give you a full step-by-step video tutorial, and that's the difference. That's what's going to allow you to be able to create something like this even as a beginner. And I know that my masterclass beauties, you're going to come along and add to this character and airbrush him and do all sorts. I want someone to airbrush him, please, and post it on our Facebook page so I can see. But I love the very homely details, little buttons for nostrils. So nothing really specialist here, but a really specialist finish. So what others would you like to see in this series? Just drop me a comment below if you can think of one that you would like to see. And I certainly have a million ideas already, but if they agree with yours, that would be even better. So pop over to my website and you will be able to find his PDF pattern and of course his full video tutorial. And stay right here on Pay It Forward to make up our little pocket pal, and there are going to be definitely more of those coming along for you all. Let me know what you think of those and give me some ideas for characters for those as well. So thank you all for joining me. Everybody keep on paying all those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.